you might be wondering how much tension should you be pulling on with each stitch? Well, what I want to say is that you don't have to go crazy pulling each stitch super tight. So when I'm pulling the working thread through for each stitch, I just give it a gentle little tug, and the stitch is just sitting nice and flush with the fabric. What you don't need to do is pull super duper tight, because that can distort your stitches and pucker your fabric and things. So I'll show you what pulling super tight would be like. So I'm going to really pull that through, and I'm tugging on it, and see how when I do that it's really pulling on the fabric. You'll notice it even more with something like satin stitch, or if your fabric's loose, things can go a bit AWOL. So yeah, just focus on, you're just gently pulling the working thread through. I do give it a tiny little tug at the end, but not too hard, and that allows your stitch just to sit comfortably on the fabric. It's something that comes more easily with practice, so don't sweat it if you're a beginner. Just do whatever works, but over time you'll find your tension on each stitch really just comes together.